be the first video in a long time, maybe a month or so, I'm not sure. For the first time in forever, we're gonna talk about hair. If you can see the title, we're gonna do I'm gonna do my hair in front of you guys, because last time, well, yesterday I did put some photos of me with like a flawless hair. People are like, oh my god, is it a wig? Is it a like a lace frontal? Is it a weave? I was like, no, it's a clip-in. It's clip-ons. Anyways, there were kinky straight. They're still kinky, but I curled them. So this is gonna be on me today. The why my hair is like ratchet in the front. It's kind of braided in the back. I look ugly right now, but it's okay because I'm gonna be pretty in a sec. So here yesterday when I did them, I straightened them because they were supposed to be straight. So that's my leave out section here, and then in the back it's like braided. As you can see here, I placed them in sections so it could be easier for me to grab and use. So these are the section 4 and 3s, and these are 2s only. So when I'm gonna be like putting them on, it's gonna be like much easier for me to like, you know, just grab them and just clip it in. So how it goes, it's usually smallest to biggest, and in the middle part I usually put the 4 because that's where it's like most fitted. This one, I'm just gonna open that here like this. I curled them. They're not pretty curly, but like it's okay. Then I'm just gonna clip that here. See how pretty that is? Like this here. Okay, see how pretty that is? Okay, and then now that we're finished with this part, I'm gonna go off camera and deal with this. Okay, as you can see, I'm back. Blended the real hair with the fake hair. Tried to use now to finish the look, I'm gonna put makeup. Okay guys, this is the final result. I think this is a quick video. Okay, so this is the final result with my hair and the hair mixed together, looking like fire. I mean, I look cute. Like I just love it so much, you know. I love it so much. I keep forgetting that the camera's here, not there. I don't know why, but like I thank you so much. You're so pretty. Yes. Okay. So that's today's video. That's how I put on my clip-ins. So hopefully I see you guys in the next video, and I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Oh, and I forgot to mention that the hair is local. I live in Canada. It's like 1 hour, not 1 hour, but like 40 minutes away from where I live right now currently, because I'm moving. Yeah, that's another subject for another time, but yes, I am moving into my own apartment. But yeah, and the place is called Salon W. It's like up north of Montreal, so it's a little bit far, well, depending on where you are. But yeah, it's worth it. They're like really pretty hair, like seriously, you guys, I love it so much. Okay, I'm gonna stop. But seriously, I just wanted to give them a shout out because I forgot to, and it's nice to be appreciated, so I'm giving you appreciation. Hair is gorgeous. I love it. I love everything. Thank you. Okay, now you may go. Okay, bye-bye.